Just remember I don't live too far. And there's a red bridge in Oxford Bay. Yes, you'll be in my place in less than a day. So get on your bed, motor scooter, and ride up over to my place and stay all night. Yeah. The first thing in the morning we'll be feeling alright, 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 alright. Get on your bed, motor scooter, and ride. Ooh, the last time I seen your face, swore that no one would take your place. Now since you've been gone, I've been feeling bad, yeah. I come out to your place, I'm afraid of your dad. So you get on your bed.